What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the 350Z. We're going to be making a rear fog light. So essentially all we're going to be doing is decommissioning, I believe we're going to do this side right here. So this reverse light, we're going to go ahead and wire it up so it comes on with the actual parking lights. We're going to get started. Obviously the first thing you want to do is... Oh, the car's locked. Hold on. Alright guys, so I have the hatch open. We're going to go ahead and take out the bumper. But in order to do that, we're going to have to disassemble the headlights, take them out, and then go ahead and remove this light here. Alright guys, so once you pull your bumper off, you're going to go ahead and remove the actual light itself from the bumper. There's going to be two Phillips screwdriver screws on each side of the headlight, so one on this side and then one on this side, and then it should slide right out. Alright guys, so Christine is going to go ahead and sand on the light and get it prepped for paint. I'm just going to go ahead and figure out the wiring here. So it's fairly simple. On the back of the light there's going to be a black wire and a white wire. I'm assuming the white wire is going to be the power to the reverse light. So I just have to figure out which wire here wires or powers the actual parking light. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and turn on the parking lights and unplug one of these green wires and see which one actually controls the power parking lights.
So the blinker side of the light is taped off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some Adhesion Promoter.
Alright guys, so this is what we're going to be using right here. It's VHT, it's a nightshade, it's red. It's pretty much just like a red clear. They have them in all different colors. You can buy them at like O'Reilly's, AutoZone, just your regular parts store. They're about $8 to $9, I believe. She's going to go ahead and lay it on the first coat. You're going to want to do it really lightly. Like the first coat is probably going to be like a mist coat. So she's going to do one right now.
A mist coat?
Then you're going to want to wait a little while and then do the next coat.
Oh, you don't want to wait for it to dry.
Okay. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but that looks dark enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull this tape off. And we're going to go ahead and clear the whole light. So that way we don't have like a line here of paint. So it'll be smooth all the way across. So we're going to pull this off slowly.
Do you want me to do it?
Just like that. Alright, so same like this, we're gonna go ahead and lay down a very misty coat. Just like that. Just to get it to tack up. And then we're gonna go lay down a medium wet coat. Okay. So we're just gonna let this dry now. I might put another coat. But again, you do not want to go super wet or else the paint won't stick too well. And then it'll end up cracking. Alright guys, so this is the stock harness from the light. They share a ground, which is the black wire here. The green is going to be for the turn signals. And this white, I'm assuming, is going to be the power for the reverse light here. I made this little harness here that'll go from this harness into this harness right here. I'll show you guys once I've finished it all up. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how I'm going to connect it here. I got the original power wire going into this little harness here. And then this is going to hook up into this here. Let me show you. So I'm going to remove this. This is going to go in the existing hole. So this is how it's going to go. That way I didn't want to chop up too many wires. So this wire from the headlight is going to go into this harness here. It's going to go into the original power source here for the parking light. And then this wire is going to lead down into this power source for the reverse light. So if all goes well, I'm going to go ahead and turn the parking light on right now, and this should come on. It didn't come on. Okay guys, I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't come on, but the reason why is because I didn't actually plug the plug in and I forgot I needed a ground. So as you guys can tell, it's on right now. It works. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the parking light off so you guys can see.
This one, then is it G or is it
So yeah, so the wiring is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy it up a little bit. Christine is waiting for the paint to dry, and then she's gonna go ahead and spray a few more coats, and then we'll put it all back together, and then we'll show you guys how it looks. All right guys, so I let it dry for a little bit, so now we're gonna go ahead and put it into the bumper. So let's go ahead and do it right now.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. This side is the regular stock side, and this is the one that we painted. I think that Blaine said that this is the European or JDM version, or there's like an option to do this. Kaylee, stop spraying me with water. And let me show you what it looks like with the parking lights on.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just tryna get it, I ain't tryna die. She got a big ol' on your booty, make the world cry. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Hold them bands down, hold your mans down.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. We've actually been in Hawaii for the last 2 weeks, so we haven't really gotten a lot of videos out, but we're back now, so we're gonna start hammering them out for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!